wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 9 best portable blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Whether it's cubes of ice, frozen fruit or leafy greens, the MC Modern blenderx can process them all with ease and rarely leaves behind large chunks. It's got a very high capacity at 20 ounces, making it ideal for those who enjoy big smoothies. It comes with non-slip rubber feet and a carrying bag, but it is bulkier than most. At number 8, the quixster rechargeable is available in several colors, so you can pick one to suit your taste. All of them have serrated blades and a 150-watt motor that's powerful enough to crush ice. It includes an integrated filter and a small carrying strap. It works best when held sideways. Coming in at number 7 on our list. Those worried about exposing their foods to plastics will appreciate that the container with the goldfox 15-ounce is made from borosilicate glass, so you don't have to worry about the potential leaching of chemicals. It includes 2 2500 mAh batteries and a cleaning brush, but it can't be used while it's plugged in and charging. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the voltrx vortex boost is made from shatter-resistant BPA-free Triton plastic and is perfect for mixing all kinds of things like eggs, pre-workout protein shakes, baby formulas, and pancake and waffle batters. It can't be used for solid foods though. It spins at 2000 RPM and the base illuminates during use. It has a sporty appearance. Moving up our list to number 5. The Brio USB has a 15-ounce capacity in its borosilicate glass container and includes 2 long-lasting lithium-ion batteries that can yield up to 20 cups of your favorite beverage on a single charge. It comes with a recipe ebook, a child safety switch, and an auto shut-off after 40 seconds. At number 4, equipped with a handle on top, much like reusable water bottles, and with a motor base that screws off, the popbabies P21 is easy to take with you wherever you go. All the parts that are exposed to food are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. It sports an eye-catching green color and helpful measurement markings, and this one can be used while it's charging. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The promixx IXR Vortex is designed specifically for thoroughly blending protein powder into liquids, so you don't wind up with unpleasant clumps. It makes use of an innovative X-blade technology that's set to preserve the integrity of micronutrients. It's equipped with a storage pod for supplements and sleek stainless steel trim. It's guaranteed to be leak-proof. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, not only is the greecho JCO4 powerful enough to turn fruited ice into chunk-free smoothies, it's designed for you to drink directly from the blending container, making it especially convenient. It comes with a carrying strap and a covered charging port, and is made from durable Triton. And coming in at number 1 on our list, looking like a typical travel mug, the outad pinlo utilizes a modern Type-C charging port and features 6 high-performance blades to ensure you get a nice smooth consistency for your beverages. It's a BPA-free construction with a powerful 85-watt motor. It accommodates straws. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable blenders, or simply click beneath this video.